Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OKCoin and set up withdrawals securely step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the OKCoin website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. Click on the sign in button to access your account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or initials in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon to open the account menu. Select Security Settings from the drop-down menu. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already set it up. Follow the prompts to link your authentication app or receive SMS codes. Return to the account menu and select Withdrawals. Find and click on the Add Withdrawal Address option. Enter the address of the wallet you wish to withdraw to. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid any loss of funds. Once confirmed, click on the Add Address button. Back in the Withdrawals section, select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Input the amount you want to withdraw. After entering the amount, select the withdrawal address you just added. Check for any withdrawal fees displayed on the screen. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed. You may need to verify the withdrawal using the authentication method set up earlier. Once verified, the withdrawal request will be submitted for processing. Monitor your email for confirmation of your withdrawal request. Stay informed about processing times and updates on your OKCoin account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.